Good day to each and everyone. It's me again, and we're going to have our infomercial today, and I'm going to discuss the different descriptions and functions of vitamins. Of course, as we all know, vitamins are organic components in food that are needed in very small amounts for growth and for maintaining good health. There are two classifications of vitamins, which are fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins are the vitamins that dissolve fat. It's because fat is easily stored in our body. Fat-soluble vitamins can be stored within our fat. This means they can accumulate and be saved for later use. The fat-soluble vitamins are vitamins A, D, E, and K. While the water-soluble vitamins are vitamins that dissolves in water. It's because our body is a watery environment. These vitamins can move through our body pretty easily, and they can also be flushed out by the kidneys. Water-soluble vitamins include the B-complex vitamins and the vitamin C. First, let's talk about the fat-soluble vitamins, and let's start with vitamin A, or also known as the retinol. The retinol, it is a group of unsaturated nutritional organic compounds that includes retinol, retinoic acid, in which is important for normal vision, the immune system, reproduction, and growth and development. Vitamin A also helps your heart, lungs, and other organs work properly. Second is vitamin D, or also known as the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is both a nutrient we eat and a hormone our bodies make. It is a fat-soluble vitamin that has long been known to help the body absorb and retain calcium and phosphorus. Both are critical for building our bone. The function of vitamin D is for calcium balance, cell differentiation, immunity, and development of bones and teeth. Third is vitamin E, or also known as tocopherols. Vitamin E are naturally occurring antioxidants. It is also called the anti-aging factor. Vitamin E's main role is to act as an antioxidant, preventing oxidative stress and protecting fatty acids in your cell membranes from free radicals. Also important to vision, reproduction, and the health of your blood, brain, and skin. Lastly, to the fat-soluble is vitamin K, or also known as anti-hemorrhagic vitamin. This is the vitamin that the human body needs for complete synthesis of certain proteins that are required for blood coagulation, and also certain proteins that body uses to manipulate binding of calcium in bone and other tissues. Vitamin K plays an important function in blood clotting, but vitamin K has other functions as well, including supporting bone health and helping prevent the calcification of blood vessels, potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. And now, let's talk about the water-soluble vitamins, which have two classifications, which are B-complex and non-B-complex. First, let's talk about the B-complex vitamins, and first on the list is the vitamin B1, or also known as the thiamine or the anti-beriberi factor. It is a colorless basic organic compound composed of a sulfated pyrimidine ring. All living organisms use thiamine, but it is synthesized only in bacteria, fungi, and plants. Functions of vitamin B1 are very important for converting carbohydrate into energy. It helps maintain the healthy nervous system and helps treat beriberi, a condition caused by a deficiency of thiamine in the cell. Next is the vitamin B2, or the riboflavin, also called the beauty vitamin, a yellowish-green fluorescent compound soluble in water. It is widely involved in the oxidation-reduction reaction. Vitamin B2 function is for normal growth, metabolism, digestion, and helps proper functioning of the nervous system and helps protect the body against cancer. Third is the vitamin B3, or niacin. It is essential for metabolism of carbohydrates, fat, and protein. Vitamin B3 function is important in DNA synthesis and essential for production of estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. Also helpful in reducing migraine headaches and necessary for healthy skin, nerves, and digestive system. Fourth is vitamin B5, or also known as pantothenic acid, which are tissues extracted from a variety of biological materials that provide a growth factor for yeast. Vitamin B5 functions to help release energy from sugars, starches, and fats. It's important in cell metabolism, cholesterol metabolism, and accelerates wound healing. Fifth is vitamin B6 or pyridoxine, which refers to a group of chemically similar compounds which can be interconverted in biological systems. Vitamin B6 functions to make antibodies. Antibodies are needed to fight many diseases and maintain normal nerve function and promote RBC production. Next is vitamin B7 or biotin, also known as the vitamin H or coenzyme R. It is a coenzyme involved in the synthesis of fatty acids, isoleucine and valine, and in gluconeogenesis. Vitamin B7 is important. For instance, biotin serves an essential role in fatty acid synthesis, glucose formation, and amino acid metabolism. Sixth is vitamin B9 or also known as folic acid, folacin or folate, which is a yellow crystalline substance. Vitamin B9 function is important in formation and maturation of RBC, and for healthy skin and hair, and an important nutrient in pregnant women and her developing fetus because it improves lactation. Lastly, in B-complex vitamin is vitamin B12 or also known as cobalamin, which is cobalt-containing porphyrin and is freely soluble in water. Function of vitamin B12 is important in production of RBCs and it improves concentration, memory, and balance, and also important in metabolism of fat, carbohydrate, proteins, and folic acid. And now, let's talk about the non-B-complex vitamins, which is the vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid and antibiotic vitamin. It is the most active reducing agent and a powerful antioxidant and synthesized by most animals and not in humans. Vitamin C function is synthesis of collagen, necessary for maintenance for bones and proper functioning of adrenal and thyroid gland, and an antioxidant. It also stimulates immune function and combats bacterial infection. And we've come to the end of our discussion about the description and function of fat and water-soluble vitamins. I hope you all learned something from me. I am Jessica May GOBASCO. Thank you for listening, Studentistas. Bye!